Hey you guys, it's Molly. Little sneak peek of the video I'm doing today. See you in a sec. Hey you guys, it's Molly. So I did a Dutch pour kind of ish that I love, but my paint was just a little bit too thin, I think. So I'll do my test again to see if I can still pour this with the blow dryer, like move this with the blow dryer and save some to go around it. Blow dryer's going on. Oh yeah, I think that consistency is better. Yep. Got a little clump here. Out of there. Get out of there. I think it's an actual clump of paint because I just mixed this. Okay, so let me just get my sides. Still using the same color palette, guys, because I love it. I love this little spinner because I don't have to move around the canvas to see what's going on. So when I use that varnish, polymer varnish in medium, it dries really fast. So kind of got to work fast if you want the paints to like really mix. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same layering again, but I think I had too much paint on my canvas the last time. Just tiny little dabs. Go back over, I think, one more time with the blue. One more time with the gold. That copper though, oh my gosh. Y'all, why didn't you tell me to quit putting paint on here? I'm gonna have the same amount of paint again. Okay, so I'm gonna blow over this way and then try to spin it out. Have problems figuring out which way to turn my blow dryer off. That's like kind of a problem, huh? Okay, let me torch. I torched before last time to get the air bubbles out, so I've already got some beautiful cells popping up in there. And I kind of want to blow it over a little bit that way too, I think. So every time that I turn my blow dryer to low, when I press the cool button, it turns it higher, which is like perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna spin it out. I kind of broke up all the cells that were already in there, but we'll see what happens, okay? Here I go. I gotta get it like really spinning there. So this is what I thought. I thickened up my paint and now it's not moving as well. And I tried to level my canvas. Okay, so I may have to blow the rest of this one out. Ugh, those cells in there. I love this effect that's happening on this side. Let me see if I can zoom you guys in on what's happening right now. Can you guys see those cells? Wow. They're beautiful. Let me zoom you back out. I'm zooming you with my pinky. All right. So I'm just gonna blow the rest of this around with my mouth. There's a little bit of that gold that just came through. I love this. It's almost like a feather. I don't really want to upset those cells that are there. That's why I'm being very ginger. Just trying to get a composition that I like. This one is super cool. So most of the paint stayed in the center there. It's like very wispy and whimsical. Okay. I feel like I want just a little bit of that copper right there. It's difficult to blow the right way. Yeah, I really like this too. I love the cells that happened in there. I'm gonna blow that just a little bit off the side. I like it. Totally different look than what I was thinking it would be, but I like it. Wow, I'll take it down so you guys can see. I don't know why my phone keeps cutting off on me. I must be hitting a button. But there are those copper cells in the middle. There's those cells. Oh, wow. Reminds me kind of a scorpion or a, oh, what are those fish, guys? What's that one fish that I'm thinking of? Like with all the little frills. Kind of reminds me of a bird's eye view of that. I really like it though. Wow. All right, there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye.